What's up, YouTube? So I got this shirtless Chinaman alarm clock. It's powered by 3 AAA batteries. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. When the alarm goes on, he says, "Ohio, Ohio, Ohio." It almost sounds like Pikachu. But I'm going to give you a quick demonstration, just so you can see what's going on. So I'm going to change this. There he goes. That's it, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed it. He's in good shape. There's where you wind him up and back, or adjust the time and the alarm and all that. There's a button on top to hit this, turn it off. And until next time, see you. Peace out. Later.